Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about how to show up regularly on social media without being annoying or sounding annoying. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out the video here. My name is Kevin Shriver, and I wanted to talk to you today about how to show up on social media in a fashion that doesn't seem annoying or doesn't turn people off. This is a really tough topic because obviously we're living in the 21st century here, and social media is definitely a huge part of our businesses. And if you have a pet business, you need to be promoting it. You need to be promoting it on social media. There's no question about that. Well, how do you do it without just saying, hey, we're open for business and we can take a dog and let's go for a walk? Well, you know, we do grooming, we do training, whatever it is. How do you do it without sounding like you're selling all the time? Well, here's what you need to work on. You need to have a channel and have content that you put out that is either one, entertaining, or it's educational. And you need to at least put out 10 to 1 of educational and entertainment as opposed to selling. So for example, you need to be telling people about how you do your business, why you do your business, who do you do your business for. That's a little bit of selling there, but how you process, that's educational, right? You also need to be talking about doing something entertaining. If you do something silly with your dog and you want to be showing that off, and that's some type of talent that gets you some airtime, so to speak. Come on, guys. Show that entertainment. That is a huge, huge thing to do. One easy thing to do is, if you're struggling on what to actually show on social media, is show lots of pictures of your finished product. So for example, if you have a bakery and you're baking cakes, switching topics here for a second, you have a bakery and you want to sell more cakes, you could do, here's two things you could choose to do. You could either put on your social media, hey, wedding cakes for sale, hey, we have this, hey, we have that. Just start, you know, we have, I was thinking of wedding cakes that just got married. So you could be just offering wedding cakes to people. There's nothing wrong with that, but what you could do that's even better is, I'm tying issues here as we're talking, actually show pictures of your finished wedding cakes. Show people what you did and how awesome that is. Well, guess what? People will now want to see your finished product, and then they can think of you because they know what the finished product looks like. So you need to do the same thing with your dog business. Show pictures of the dogs you're walking. It's super entertaining, super cute. If you're grooming, take a before and after of every single dog that comes in the door. If you're doing training, take a picture of the dog. Come on, guys. Take a picture of the dog you're training and tell them what the parents are working, or what the parents want you to be working on, or what the dog needs to be working on. Hey, we're working on leash manners, greeting people, and walking down the street with other dogs in an urban setting, so that you are constantly and consistently showing a finished product. If you do that, you have a better chance of then having the post that you put up that says, hey, if anybody's in this part of town and looking for this, we have spaces open, we have spots for new clients. So you'll have a chance for that to be more effective if you educate and you entertain people earlier and often and more consistently on your social media. Also, this entertainment education comes into play as well if you decide to run social media ads. We're going to talk about that in another video at another time. If you've been educating, you can attract a lot of people. You can then convert them using Facebook ads. We'll talk more about that. But showing up consistently and regularly is to be educating and be entertaining. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, leave a comment below and I will try and respond. Thanks as always for watching. This is Kevin Shriver from Your Pet Business Now. Talk to you all again in the next video. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you like the video and you want to see some more great content, make sure to hit the like button. Also hit subscribe to the channel. And there's a little bell there as well. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when new videos and new content is released. Also, if you want to get some more and see some more videos, click right here. I have some links to some other YouTube videos. as well as if you are interested in going deeper in your pet business, click below in the description below. I've got a link to a webinar that I'm hosting. Would love to have you join me on that if you are interested in going deeper in improving your pet business. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to y'all soon.